Hi guys, mango season is here and I'm sharing with you a delicious sweet and sour green mango dal recipe prepared in the Bengali style. As they say, kacha aam diye tok dal. This is the list of ingredients required. Take one large green mango, peel, remove the seed and chop it like this and keep it aside. Take half a cup of masoor dal which has been washed well. Add 2 cups of water and half a teaspoon of salt. Pressure cook for 2 whistles. Once the pressure is released, using a whisk, mash the dal well and keep it aside. Heat 2 teaspoons of mustard oil till it smokes gently. Add half a teaspoon mustard seeds and let them splutter. Add half a teaspoon cumin seeds and splutter for just 10 seconds and add 2 red chilies and let it cook for 10 more seconds. Immediately add half a teaspoon of ginger paste and saute till the raw smell goes. This will take anywhere between 60 to 90 seconds. Now add the chopped mango and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute on medium flame for 2 minutes. Add half cup water and cover and cook for 5 minutes. At this stage, the mango would have cooked and become soft. Take 2 pieces of mango and mash them roughly. This step is optional to give that extra tanginess to your dal. Add the boiled and mashed dal, 2 slit green chilies and half a teaspoon of salt. Boil for 2 minutes. Check the taste and add more salt if required. Add half a teaspoon sugar. Again, cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. At the end, this is the consistency of the dal that we want. That's it. Enjoy this deliciously sweet and tangy green mango dal with hot rice and papads. If you like this video, please like and share it. Leave your comments below. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such interesting recipes by clicking on the profile picture below. Thank you.